In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and update your Pipedrive CRM password. Keeping your password up to date is one of the easiest ways to protect your account and your customer data. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps you need to follow inside Pipedrive. You can follow along in your own account while you watch or just listen first and then repeat the process later. Start by opening Pipedrive in your browser and make sure you're logged into the account where you want to change the password. Once you're in, look to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be a small circle with your initials or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu with your personal options. From that menu, choose the option labeled Personal Preferences. This is where Pipedrive groups the settings that are specific to you as a user rather than company-wide settings. When you click Personal Preferences, you'll be taken to a new page or panel with several tabs or sections. On this page, look for the section called Password and Login. Click on Password and Login to open the controls related to your account security. This is where Pipedrive lets you update your password and sometimes manage other login-related settings. You'll now see a field asking for your current password. Type in the password you're using right now for this Pipedrive account. This step is important because it confirms that it's really you making the change and prevents someone else from changing your password if they happen to get access to your device. Next, you'll see fields to enter your new password and to confirm it. In the new password field, type the password you want to start using. Then, in the confirmation field, type the exact same password again. Make sure they match perfectly, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and any symbols you've used. For better security, choose a password that's long, unique to Pipedrive, and not easily guessable. Avoid using things like your name, company name, or simple number sequences. Once you've entered your current password, your new password, and confirmed it, look for the button labeled Change Password and click it. Pipedrive will process your request, and if everything was entered correctly, your password will be updated. From this point on, you'll use that new password the next time you log into Pipedrive.